Official photographer, please, could you raise your hand? I need to know. Your Excellency, ma'am. Please, maybe you remove the face mask for this.
Women are first to organize anything that I'm not aware of. You try it next time, I will come here and I get you people disgrace. Sorry about this, sirs. Ma'ams, forgive me. I know what I am going through in this country. For a while, this is all we keep on organizing. And a few weeks ago, there was hunger protest. And they talk about peace and security. Women are not empowered. Children are suffering. Nigerians are suffering. But we waste money all the time in frivolous things that don't make sense. I am sorry. Many people may misunderstand me, but I am ready to be misunderstood. I am ready to be tortured. I am ready. I don't want to break down here. This is it. I have changed the narratives. I said, no program without empowerment. The women, you're talking about peace and security. With poverty, how can you solve it? You keep talking, you're doing workshop, you're doing this, you're doing that. With poverty, where are we heading to? And how do we solve that poverty? By directing monies to the wrong channels and don't make any impact on the humans. On those people you want them to change and give you peace. And I've changed narratives. I said that don't do any program without empowerment. I was meant, UNICEF has come to me, we've changed the work plan, we've made it to favor the children that they will benefit. This my woman, Mrs. Eunice, Beatrice, would have done the same, but she was sick. She was not feeling well. Then, why do something? At least if they had come to me, I would have told them how to get these things. Okay, I know. How to get it organized so that it will favor our people. They give money in the ministries. It is used for travels, programs, nothing that will impact the nation. But if you hear the amount of money government gives out to ministries, you will be shocked. Why should it continue like that? Why should we fold our hands and these things will continue? Who do you think will save you? It's you that will save yourself. Let them call me names. Troublemaker, madwoman. I'm ready to take it. But you see that brick wall, I'm going to break it. Even if it takes me using my head to break it, I'll break it. That is one thing I'm assuring you people. Because this is what Mr. President wants. He wants to move the nation forward. That is why he went through all the risks to come up there. Let it not happen again. And you, come. Look at her. Mrs. Beatrice, you see this lady, you have to look into her matter. I'm going to tell my ministry to look into her matter. Listen, she's an Igbo woman, though. Don't think I'm maltreating anybody. I know the facts I am making. Because it's not today I told them, you can't bring 100 and something million. You use it and do program. My people, that is the fact. I am not lying. 100 and something million is used for programs. And I said, always cut it into two. Use half and empower the women. Then use half and do whatever program you want to do. Let it not be that I'm coming here to block everybody. This one, Jagara come out. You and women will be angry with you. You don't have right to tell them to divert money. That is why I'm sure she's sneaking behind me to do this. Try it again. Let it happen again. I will disgrace them and disgrace myself. I'm not going to disgrace them alone. I will disgrace myself and there will be no program. Anywhere I hear it, even if I'm not invited, I will come there. So I'm sorry if I've embarrassed anyone. I am sorry if I've misbehaved. I always apologize for the ones I did before, the one I'm doing now, and probably the one I will do tomorrow. Forgive me, please. You guys can go. All right. Now I'm laughing. My heart is heavy. Now I'm laughing. My heart is heavy, but I will calm down. I'm sorry. I keep saying I'm sorry, because the way I'm moving, I will have to continue apologizing and apologizing, and I'm ready to be doing and apologizing. But forgive me, please. Okay. Country Representative, UN Women, Mrs. Beatrice Enyong. It's not a laughing matter, although I'm laughing, but I've made my point. Because the way you will hear next time and you see my action, always remember what I said today. That's why I didn't do anything. I just had to speak about it. But still forgive me, please, everyone. Members of diplomatic corps, royal fathers, representatives, thank you, everyone. When we talk about peace and security, most times we do more of policies. If you come to my office, you see piled up of policies without any action, without any achievement. Now, paper we go chop. Is it paper we are going to chop? We don't need these things. The situation of the country right now, these are not things that we need. We need action. That is what we need. We need to attack it raw to solve our problems. And all hands must be on deck for us to achieve this. So anybody hatching any ulterior motive should please deviate from it, because you're not going to achieve anything. You're not going to achieve anything. Now, if we talk about peace and security, I feel that if women are empowered, when you empower a woman, you have empowered 20 people. And when a woman is empowered, and that shows it goes down to the children, they'll be able to go to school, they'll be able to do a lot of other things. And when they're able to do these things, you've eliminated out-of-school children, which is part of our problem with security. You've eliminated early marriages, because the woman will be able to stand firmly. You've given her a voice. She could say to the husband, I am sorry, I don't want my child to get married this early. And the husband will listen because she's empowered. Number 3, you will cut down on issues of GBV, because most times 70% of what causes problems in the home is give me, and the woman is not doing anything. If a woman is empowered, she won't even have time to start exchanging words with the husband. And it takes 2 to tango. If 2 people, if one person keeps quiet and one is talking, at the end of the day, nothing drastic will come out of it. So if you check around, you will find out that the major problem that we have across GBV and other things is based on poverty. Even this insecurity you're talking about. Many percentage of people that are involved in so many things are being convinced because they can't even afford 1,000 naira to take care of their children. From here, I'm going to National Hospital. And when you get there, you see so many Nigerians that are being kept there over 7,000 naira. And they've been there sleeping on the balcony corridors of the hospital. I am going there today, which I invited some of my brothers that came all the way from Port Harcourt to join me so that they can help to pay off their bills and release them to go home. Then some of the children there will be able to pay some money for them to continue their treatment. You will see it on the television. The poverty level is a pathetic thing, that anybody that tries to be selfish, all Nigerians should face that person. If I'm fighting you, I will call Nigerians to back me up. And even the royal fathers, I will call them, because I've partnered with the royal fathers. They will back me, and we will fight that person for Nigeria to be okay. We need to move ahead. So please, my people, the major reason we're having insecurity is mainly poverty. It is mainly poverty. And when there's insecurity, there can never be peace. So let us focus our money right. Let us appropriate our money right, so that we start solving our problems than lying to ourselves. We talk too much, we program too much, we advocate too much. I heard something, they said they went to advocate to husbands to allow their wives to work. 200 million was spent. To advocate to the husbands to allow their wives to work. No money was given to the wives. no job was provided for the wife. But you spent 200 million to go and talk to the husband to allow the wives to work. Because my people listen and understand. So that when they're telling you how mad this woman is, you understand what I have seen that is making me mad. That husband you're talking to, have you given the wife a job and he said she will not do it? Like I keep saying, forgive me. Thank you, everyone.
Honorable Minister, we are going straight to take photographs.